Okay, in this video I'm going to explain how we can find the crystallographic direction of this point with respect to the point B. Suppose A is the lattice point and this small blue ball is the lattice point B. The position of the point A with respect to the origin is 1 by 2. This one is x, as this disposed lattice lies on the halfway between the x-axis, so half, and this lattice point is 1 unit, lies 1 unit along the y-axis, so it is 1. This lattice point is 1 unit along the y-axis, so 1, and 0, as the supposed lattice point A doesn't lie on the z-axis. Now moving to the point B. Now the position of the point B with respect to the origin or its crystallographic direction can be written as 0, 0. 0, suppose this one is showing the existence of point B along the x-axis, as the supposed lattice point B doesn't lie on the x and y axis, so becomes 0, 0 and 1 as this point lies 1 unit along the y-axis, so 1. So how can we calculate this? And this line showing the position vector of the supposed lattice point A. 0 minus 1 by 2 plus 0 minus 1 and again 1 minus 0. I, j, k head in terms of unit vector we are considering here, and now you can understand well all these steps. Thank you.